Today, we're in on any of the smallest, most vibrant creature out there, the hummingbird. These tiny birds, known for their incredible speed and breathtaking colors, are truly a wonder of nature. So, let's take a closer look and discover the magic of hummingbirds together. Well, aren't hummingbirds just amazing? Thank you for joining us in this flattering journey today. We hope you enjoyed learning about this tiny speedsters as much as we did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so you won't miss out on our next nature adventure.